If your Discord screen share has no sound, here are quick fixes you can do right now. Open Discord and click the user settings cog in the lower left corner. Go to voice and video settings and locate the include system audio option. When sharing, choose the correct application window or entire screen and tick include audio. Double check your output device is correct under voice and video so audio routes properly. If sharing still fails, toggle hardware acceleration off or on, then restart Discord. Update your audio drivers from Device Manager or your sound card support app. Mute and unmute your microphone and the application audio to reset audio streams. Play a browser audio clip or media file and share that window to test system audio. Disable third-party audio apps, overlays, or VPNs that might block system sound. Ask a friend to watch while you play audio and confirm they can hear it live. Checklist recap enable include audio select window toggle acceleration update drivers test and you're done.